Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Leos. I'll be picking few cards, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last. Queen of Swords, Five of Wands, Three of Cups, Ace of Wands, Page of Wands. With these cards, Leos, I feel if you are single or if you are after a breakup, maybe some new person is coming towards you guys. With these cards, that is the energy here. Or maybe you are finding someone whom you like. That may also be the energy here, guys. You like them, and you are maybe this may be in your work also. You may be getting some new job offers also, if it is regarding your work. And this you are working really hard in your professional life and in your personal life, to make things manifest. So whatever you're wishing for, to reach your goals, guys, and you will surely succeed. That is the energy with these cards. Whatever you're working for, you're struggling for today, you are going to get that completion, guys. You are going to feel the happiness and contentment. So the completion is there. That kind of energy is there with these cards, guys, and you are enjoying the happy outcome. You're feeling successful, victorious. This may be regarding your work or in your relationship. You may find someone you like, or if you are already in a relationship, you may be proposing and they are going to accept, guys, or if they are proposing, you are going to accept. So you are feeling that completion and happiness in this relationship, guys. Maybe this person completes you, and that is what you feel, guys. Or they feel that you complete them. You have a very good emotional bonding, understanding, and you have mutual love and intimacy and romance in this relationship. Affection is there, and you feel secure and safe with this person. So it is a positive kind of relationship, guys, you are having with this person. So maybe this person, if you are not in a relationship right now, they are surely coming towards you, guys. Or if you're already in a relationship, you are going into a more deeper and satisfying connection. You are going in for a committed relationship. You are going to get engaged or get married, guys. That may also be the energy here, Leos. Let us see what is coming up with the other cards, guys. I'll be picking few more cards from this other deck. Garden, Whips, Book, Fish, So with these cards, Leos, I feel uh, you have a particular routine you follow every day, day after day after day, or some kind of hobbies or some kind of activities, maybe some sports activities or something of that sort. You are doing it meticulously every day, so you have that particular routine you are into. um, that may be a reason for what to say, your person feeling that you are going away from them for some of you all, or this may be just activity where you just enjoy yourself every day, guys. And this relationship stands for that good understanding, loyalty, and you love each other's company, guys. You like to be with this other person, you enjoy that harmony and that attraction you have for this person in this relationship. And you are stepping what to say, you are having a very clear understanding about this person, clear knowledge about this person, what they are. Okay, so you know what kind of person they are, and you want to take it up to the next step. Maybe that is what they feel about you, they know clearly about you, and they want to have a deeper committed relationship with you, guys. That may also be the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you are sharing this information about this beautiful relationship with friends. You are going out for dinners or some kind of party or some kind of fundraiser, or you're just doing it to have a break from your life, have a break from your routines, maybe for some of you all. So you're going to some clubs or meetings, something of that sort, guys. You are having a good day, you are enjoying yourself, guys. This may be your energy towards this person or your person's energy towards you, guys. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us today, Leos. What is the fairies guidance for us? Fairy of the Highlands, Amara, faceless ghosts on the haunted girl. Guys, just like I was saying, with some kind of routines, maybe it will be beneficial if you adopt some kind of what to say, detox diets, or some kind of fruit diets or something which helps you to what to say, maintain your health, just give you that energy. Maybe dancing or singing, maybe going to a massage, going for a massage, some kind of what to say, things that we enjoy, listening to music, something of that sort, guys. Outdoor activities, going for a walk in the park, something like that. It will just help us to heal and relax ourselves, and it will be very beneficial to us today, Leos. And sometimes we need to be what to say, strong enough in our heart to speak the truth. So whatever we are thinking in our mind today, we need to just say the truth, guys. So we need to overcome all that sorrow or guilt we have, and we should what to say, face our situation with courage, and we should face the truth. So that is also the energy here. And we have our own set of ideals and beliefs, and things we want to do, what we really want to do, guys. So in order to make a mark for ourselves, we should always be strong enough to stay fight for our ideals and beliefs. So you can listen to the other person, you can take in their suggestions, but your actions, whatever you do, should be based on whatever you believe, guys. When you do that, you will leave a mark in this world, you will find a place for yourself. So that is what the fairies are guiding us today, Leos. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Leos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.